Hi boys and girls, welcome to math class. Your learning target today is I can review subtracting 2-digit and 3-digit numbers on a number line. We are going to be working on an empty number line today. And this is your last number line lesson of the school year. The first equation I wrote is 607 subtract 28. I know that the first thing we need to do is position the total. So I'll position 607, and then I'm done with it. Now I need to decompose the number being subtracted, which is 28. The value of 2 tens is, say it with me boys and girls, 20, and then 8. So I need to jump back 20 and then jump back 8. 607 subtract 20. I can take one big jump of 20, or I can break 20 into 2 tens, either way. Let's break it into 2 tens. It's always kind of confusing when we have this 0 in the tens place. So 607 subtract 10 equals what? Say it. 597. So I'll position 597. I'll draw my jump, and I'll label it subtract 10. I have one more 10 to jump back. 597 subtract 10 equals what? Say it. 587. So I'll position 587. I'll draw my jump and label it subtract 10. And now I'm done with 20. I still have to subtract 8 more, but look, this is a bridge to 10 because I cannot do 7 subtract those 8 ones. I couldn't do that unless I wanted to go into negative numbers, which I don't. So I'm going to bridge back to the next 10. If I'm at 587, what is the next 10 if I'm counting back? Say it. 580. So I'll position 580. I'll draw my jump. How much did I just subtract? Well, what's the distance between 580 and 587? You can say it. 7. So this is subtract 7. Now I've jumped back one part of 8, which is 7. What is the other part? It's 1. And now I'll jump back 1. 580 subtract 1 equals what? 579. I'll draw my jump, label it subtract 1. And now I've subtracted the 8. I found the difference of 579. I'll write it here. And let's just double check really quickly. We positioned 607. We had to jump back 28, did we? 10, 20, 7 plus 1 is 8. 20 plus 8 is 28. I think we did it correctly. We found our difference of 579. Let's do one more. This time we'll do a 3-digit subtract 3-digit equation. Let me draw my empty number line. Let's take a look at this. Do you think we'll have any bridging, any regrouping? 532 subtract 321. What do you think? I think no, but let's just double check. I can do 5 subtract 3. I can do 3 subtract 2, and 2 ones subtract 1 ones. I can do all that subtracting, so there'll be no regrouping or no bridging. First step, ladies and gentlemen, what is it? Position the total. Let's position it right here, 532. Done with it. Now we need to decompose the number being subtracted. The value of this 3 in the hundreds place is, say it, 3. 2 tens. Oh, excuse me. Did I say 3? The value of this 3 in the hundreds place is what, boys and girls? Say it. 300. Mrs. Keebles better slow down. All right. The value of the 2 in the tens place is, say it, 20. And then 1. All right. Now I need to jump back 320 and 1. Well, 532 subtract 300. If I take 3 hundreds away from these 500s, where would I be? 532 subtract 300 equals, say it, 232. So I'll position 232 right here. I'll draw my jump, and then I'll label it subtract 300. That's a big jump. Now I need to subtract 20. can we take one big jump of 20? Can we do that? If you want to, if you were working on your own and you wanted to take 2 jumps of 10, that's fine. But I'm gonna take one big jump of 20. I'm gonna take 2 10s away from these 3 10s. 232 subtract 20 equals what? Say it, 212. So I'll position 212 right here. I'll draw my jump, label it subtract 20. And now I have one more to subtract. 212 subtract 1 is what? Say it, boys and girls. 211. I'll draw my jump, label it subtract 1. Let's take a look at our work. We positioned 532, right? Then we had to jump back 321. Did we do that? 300 plus 20 plus 1 is 321. We came to the difference of 211. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you can, if you've got sidewalk chalk, go out and do your work with sidewalk chalk. Make it fun. It's starting to get nice out. Now, I don't know when you watch this video because I record them days before you watch them. I don't know if the weather will be nice, but if it is, maybe you could get outside and do some of your work. All right, I hope you had fun in math class. Good luck with your assignment. Your teachers can't wait to see it. Bye.